This video is going to change your life forever. If you're someone who's been looking for ways to make money online, then this is the video for you. Because today I'm going to be showing you the easiest ways to make money online in 2025 that require no skills and no experience at all. And best of all, it's absolutely free. You don't have to spend a single penny to get started. So if you're ready to finally achieve financial freedom, then keep watching, because I promised you this. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start making money online today. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Anonymous. Hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you the latest and the easiest ways to make money online. These methods are guaranteed to work in 2025 because they're already working for me and many other people around the world. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The first way to make money online is through paid surveys. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online because all you have to do is share your opinion and get paid for it. There are so many companies out there that are willing to pay you for your feedback, and it's a great way to earn some extra income. All you need to do is sign up for a survey website and start taking surveys. Most of these websites will pay you via PayPal or gift cards, and you can cash out your earnings as soon as you reach the minimum threshold. Some popular survey websites include Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and MyPoints. The best part about taking surveys is that you can do it from anywhere in the world and at any time that's convenient for you. It's also a great way to have your voice heard and make a difference in the products and services that companies offer. Taking surveys is also a great way to learn more about new products and services before they're released to the public. So not only will you be earning some extra income, but you'll also be staying up to date on the latest trends and developments in the market. If you want to make the most out of your survey-taking experience, here are a few tips to help you out. First of all, make sure to only sign up for reputable survey websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and MyPoints. Also, be honest and accurate in your responses to the surveys so that you can qualify for more surveys and earn more money. Finally, set aside some time each day to take surveys so that you can build up your income over time with just a few simple steps. You can start earning money by sharing your opinion today. Next up is a method that's been gaining popularity recently, especially among Gen Z and millennials. It's called selling your data. That's right, people are now paying real money for personal data like phone numbers and email addresses. But why would anyone want to buy this information? Well, businesses use this data for various marketing purposes, such as sending promotional emails or conducting market research. They're willing to pay a lot of money for this data because it allows them to target their marketing efforts more effectively. So how can you make money selling your data? Well, there are several websites that allow you to do just that. One such website is Decider, where you can list your data for sale and set your own price. Another website is Private.com, which allows you to earn rewards points for providing your personal information. Once you've listed your data on these websites, businesses will start contacting you with offers to buy your data. It's important to note that you should exercise caution when dealing with third-party data brokers. Make sure to read their privacy policies and terms of service carefully to ensure that your data is being handled securely and responsibly. With that said, selling your data can be a great way to earn some extra income and take advantage of the digital economy. Another great way to make money online is by testing websites and apps. Many businesses want to ensure that their website or app is user-friendly before launching it to the public. And that's where you come in. By testing websites and apps, you can provide valuable feedback that helps businesses improve their online presence. User testing websites like User Testing and TryMyUI pay users like you to test websites and apps and provide feedback on their usability. ULL. Be able to earn money by simply sharing your thoughts and experiences while using these websites and apps. Just imagine getting paid to share your opinion while discovering new and exciting websites and apps. It's a win-win situation. Not only will you be helping businesses improve their online presence, but you'll also be earning money while doing it. Plus, you can do it at your own pace and schedule, making it a flexible side hustle option for anyone looking to make some extra cash. With the rise of e-commerce and the gig economy, opportunities to make money online have never been greater. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to earn money by simply sharing your thoughts and experiences. Start testing websites and apps today and see how much money you can make. Now let's talk about an easy way to make money online that's perfect for those who love to shop. If you're someone who enjoys shopping online, then cashback websites and apps are a must-have for you. These platforms offer a simple way to earn money back on your everyday purchases. All you have to do is shop at your favorite stores through the cashback website or app, and you'll earn a percentage of the purchase price back in cash. It's like getting paid to shop. Some popular cashback websites and apps include Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta. The best part about using cashback websites and apps is that they offer a wide range of stores to choose from, so you can earn money back on your purchases at your favorite retailers. The cashback rates vary depending on the store you're shopping at, but you can typically expect to earn anywhere from 1% to 30% back on your purchase. It's a great way to save money and earn some extra income at the same time. When you sign up for a cashback website or app, you'll earn a welcome bonus. This is a great way to kickstart your earnings and make some extra cash right away. You'll also earn referral bonuses when you refer friends and family to the platform. Overall, cashback websites and apps are a fantastic way to earn passive income online. It's a simple and effective way to earn money while shopping online. If you're looking for a way to monetize your social media presence, then affiliate marketing is the way to go. With affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services on your social media channels. You do want to have to create your own products or services, and you can start earning commissions right away. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you can do it from anywhere in the world and at any time that is convenient for you. All you need is a smartphone or a computer and an internet connection. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and promote products on your social media channels. Alternatively, you can reach out to brands directly and ask to become an affiliate partner. With affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions on every sale that you generate. The commission rates vary depending on the product or service you're promoting, but you can typically earn anywhere from 5% to 30% per sale. It's a great way to earn passive income and supplement your existing income streams. If you're really looking for a way to take your social media presence to the next level and earn money while doing it, then affiliate marketing is the way to go. So there you have it, 5 easy ways to make money online. Whether you prefer the flexibility of freelancing, the creativity of content creation, the convenience of selling digital products, the simplicity of cashback apps, or the collaborative nature of affiliate marketing, there's something for everyone. Remember, the key to success is to choose a method that aligns with your interests and skills. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out different things until you find what works best for you. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals and live the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Good luck and see you at the top.